The first study on student response systems I would like to discuss is by Juliet Langman and Carmen Fies and is presented in their article Classroom Response System Mediated Science Learning with English Language Learners in their journal Language and Education. The study focused on the implementation of a student response system within a high school science class for English language learners. The researchers observed the class on days with the student response system being implemented and on days without the implementation of the device. On days when the student response system was utilized, the ELL students were put into pairs based on their shared native languages. The student response system's primary functions for the teacher were to pace the classroom discourse, provide opportunities for peer learning, and to create a shared space for considering science concepts. The results of the study showed that when implementing the student response system, the class experienced multiple alternating small group and whole group discussions that naturally flowed from one to another. In stark opposition, on the days without the student response system, the class concentrated much more on whole group discussions centered on the teacher, with small group discussions and student input taking a back seat. The researchers recorded the classroom in 6 separate recording devices and found that on days without the student response system, the teacher takes up 95.6% of the talk counted in number of words and 1/3 of the turns at talk. However, on the days when the student response system is used, there is a decrease in the proportion of teachers' words from 95.6 to 62.4%, with a corresponding increase in the students' words from 4.4 to 37.6%. The researchers also found that the average amount of words used per talking turn by students increased from 1.44 to 4.26, and the amount of words used by the teacher per talking turn decreased from 63.96 to 12.18, suggesting a somewhat more balanced interaction, albeit still with short student responses. Overall, the study showed how student response systems better facilitate small group discussions and how these better facilitated small group discussions can then translate into more robust student-centered whole group discussions.